Hello and welcome to Smashballoon. Our social feed plugins are the best way to display your social media feeds on your WordPress website, along with feeds for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok, plus reviews feeds from Google, Yelp, TripAdvisor, and more. We also have our innovative Social Wall plugin. The Smashballoon Social Wall plugin allows you to create, customize, and embed social feeds that combine feeds from other social media platforms with just a few clicks. If you've already been using our Social Wall plugin to showcase your social media presence, we've got some exciting news for you. Our customers have been asking for this, so we listened and made it happen. Now your favorite TikTok videos can join content from your other social media profiles on your Social Wall. To get started, all you have to do is purchase and download the TikTok Feeds Pro and Social Wall plugins from smashballoon.com. Then install and activate them on your WordPress dashboard. Once installed, you can create your own TikTok feed in a few easy steps. Just click Add New, connect your TikTok account, select the template for the appearance of your feed, and you're good to go. You'll instantly have a fast and responsive TikTok feed ready to be embedded on your WordPress website. After you've created your TikTok feed, you can customize it to suit your exact needs, customize the layout, and even add filters to moderate your feed. Once you're happy with your TikTok feed, you can then add it to your Social Wall. Inside the Social Wall plugin, click Add New to create your new Social Wall. On this step, you can add the feeds you want to display from our other social feed plugins. This is where our latest feature comes in. In the Social Wall 2.2 update, you'll see the option to add your TikTok feeds to the Social Wall. Go ahead and select the TikTok feed you want to use from the list here. In addition to TikTok feeds, you can also include feeds from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Select the feeds you want to include inside your Social Wall and click Create Wall. You will now see a preview of your new Social Wall featuring your social media content, including videos from TikTok. Embedding your updated Social Wall is just as easy. Use a dedicated shortcode or the Social Wall block for the block editor. And voila! Your website now showcases a vibrant mix of social media content, including your latest TikTok videos for your site visitors to see. You can feature a social wall like this to boost conversions by displaying bite-sized videos of your product demonstrations on your sales page, or even to promote your TikTok content directly on your homepage, bringing you tons of views, likes, and followers. This integration is more than just a new feature. It's about bringing all of your social media channels together in one dynamic feed and making your website a curation of your online presence. At Smashballoon, we're committed to providing you with the most seamless and efficient ways to enhance your website's social media integration. With the integration of TikTok Feed Pro, your social wall becomes more inclusive, engaging, and reflective of your brand's online presence. If you're an existing user, don't miss out on this exciting new feature. Go and update your Social Wall plugin today. If you're new to Smashballoon or our Social Wall plugin, head over to smashballoon.com and try out the Social Wall demo. Even better, you can even get started with Smashballoon's All Access bundle today, so you can get Social Wall along with the best social media feed plugins for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Google Reviews, Yelp Reviews, YouTube, and more at a huge discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.